My name is Liam Stone. I do cricket for Menai Cricket Club. Menai Bridge I've been playing for about 4 years now. I used to play for Holyhead or Anglesey Aluminium. Coaching was definitely just a calling for me because I was always, when I was down here, even when I started off, I was helping people out with coach, like how to do things, and I was never afraid to jump in to sort of say, no, this might work for you. And I've loved coaching. It's really nice. It's a chill out time for me to enjoy myself and have fun for a bit and see what other people are doing, and it's really nice to see that progression of what some kids have had. I'm hoping to definitely carry on for a while if I can get into a bit more coaching full time. If the police or any careers don't work out as well, I'm definitely joining Cricket Wales for coaching and stuff like that. It's been a bit of a hard time for me, I'll be honest. I've definitely hit a lot of lows, but it's the same with everything. It's the way you bounce back and get back into everything. But no, I missed everything. I missed social interactions and having a bit of fun with everything, and instead of sitting. Cricket's a sport that not many people see, so it's a bit of there's lots of things you have to remember in cricket and have to get used to. But definitely give it a go. It's really nice. The one thing that cricket beats over everything is the atmosphere. If you come down here on a game day, you'll leave in bits. It's absolutely hilarious. You'll get to meet amazing people. It's my second family down here. They're all awesome, and they've helped me through. I don't think I'd be either here or the person I would be without these guys. So yeah, it's definitely a sport that you'll enjoy. There's a Menai Bridge Cricket Facebook and Instagram. So if there's anything like there, if there's any inquiries for wanting some coaching, they can always get in touch with me, and I can get in touch with the relevant people as well. I'm more than happy to come down and do some coaching if I'm free. I learned that everyone's doing the same sort of thing. Everyone's going through the same, and everyone's trying to be the same. I'm not the only 17-year-old coach out there. There's hundreds of us, and it's really nice to bounce ideas off each other. And I've learned more sort of techniques to coaching in young ambassadors and ambassadors in general than I would have ever made on my own. So it's really helpful. It's really nice to meet people. It's not just from college, but from